Hi everyone, you can see that entire app I have built using AI within few minutes. Actually there are a lucrative and attractive user friendly settings options, and you can see that toggle button, dark mode and light mode, and you can see that a little animation on dark mode and light mode. You can see that there are three buttons. On when clicking on one button, it will go to the another pages actually, and there are a home tab. You can see that there are two card, and you can see that the design of card is so much user friendly and lucrative, right? You can also see that the some cards and its attractive card. I'm clicking on card and you can see that questions will showing, and if I click on one question, if it is wrong, then you can see that it's marked as a red. If I click on next, if I click on correct answer, then you can see that color is green, and there is also a toggle with explanation button, next button and previous button. You can see that. So these are full functional app. We will build the app using AI. So you can see that there are a exam section, and you can see that there are a dialog button. So this type of application built with AI, you can also build this type of applications. I have a video which I have shown you how can you build any app using AI, and you can upload app on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. So on the video, you can check the video. I will share the video card on here, or you will see the description box. You will find the video. If you need any services like app development or web development related service, or if you face any issues with your Google Play Console account, you can contact with me. I'll provide the service of that, and I'll provide and support you 24/7. Thank you.